Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for a clear case to show off your beautiful iPhone 12 Pro? Want serious drop protection and antimicrobial protection too? You might want to check out the Piccadilly by Gear 4. Boasting D3O, giving it 13 feet of drop protection, the Piccadilly is available in 3 side colors, black, pink, and blue, all featuring the same crystal clear back, allowing the beauty of your iPhone to shine through. Let's check out these cases in greater detail on my iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. Taking a look at the construction of the Piccadilly case, this is a one-piece case, quite slim and lightweight, also quite rigid. We have a hard polycarbonate back. The sides are a combination of polycarbonate and TPU. This is treated with Repel Flex, which is an antimicrobial treatment. It's going to eliminate 99.99% of bacteria on the case. Looking on the interior, we've got this line that runs around the perimeter of D3O. D3O is a super impact protective material. It's used in motorcycle gear, also some military applications as well. Just extremely impact protective. Obviously, really good thing to have in your phone case. Overall, this is really quite a nice case, although if you're looking for a grippy case, this is not it. In order to put your phone in this case, you want to start on the left-hand side. Make sure both your bottom and your top corners are properly set in there. Kind of press it all the way in. Then go over to your right-hand side and then press on your right-hand corners. Once on, we have a nice tight fit. There's a bit of give over your buttons, a little bit over your port openings, but really not much. Overall, we got a nice tight fit here. In terms of lip, we don't have tons of lip. You've got some lip, and of course I do have a screen protector on here. If I didn't have a screen protector, you would have more visible lip. This is the ZAGG Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus. Great fit with this case because of course this is also a ZAGG product. Gear 4 is owned by ZAGG. But this, because it's a slim case, is not a case that has lots and lots of lip. It's certainly sufficient, definitely going to protect your screen, but it's not one of those really high lips, which can be good if you're the kind of person that likes to do a lot of swiping side to side. You're not going to be hitting a high lip on here. So it just depends upon what you're looking for. But of course, again, if I didn't have this ZAGG Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus screen protector on here, there would be more visible lip. So looking down here at our port openings, we have symmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design. So that's a little bit of an issue there. Not big, but a little bit of a design flaw. I personally think this side should obviously be smaller because we have fewer port openings on this side. Other than that, no issues. You should be able to fit many third-party lightning cables here, although of course the case does support wireless charging, so you might find you're using that functionality less than you otherwise would. Going up the sides, these are smooth and hard, not much grip on here. This is overall a pretty slippery case. Then looking at our buttons, the buttons are kind of meh. They're not great buttons, they're not terrible buttons. A little bit on the stiff side. Then looking here at our mute switch area, this is quite easy to access unless you've got really large fingers. I think you're going to be fine. Looking at the view from the top, again, excellent fit here with the ZAGG Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus screen protector. Everything looks great there. And then going over here to your side button, again, just like the volume buttons, a bit on the stiff side. Looking at the back of the case, we've got a little bit of Gear 4 branding underneath the camera opening, and we've got some D3O branding down here at the bottom, but other than that, there's not a lot to take your eyes away from the beauty of your iPhone. Of course, this material, being a glossy clear polycarbonate, is going to have an issue with scratching and fingerprints. That's pretty standard, although there is an anti-scratch coating, but that's only going to help so much. As far as yellowing is concerned, that's probably not going to be an issue for the back of the case, but the sides of the case may have more of an issue with yellowing because, of course, this has TPU in it, and TPU does tend to yellow. Again, you've got a UV coating on here, which is going to help reduce that, but probably not completely eliminate it. So this material is smooth and slippery. It's going to slide easily in and out of your pockets and handbags, but is not going to give much in the way of grip. You do have sufficient protection here for your protruding camera. No issues there. I think that that's fine. In fact, I would say in comparison with competitor cases, you probably have a bit more protection here for your protruding camera as compared with your screen. Both of them are sufficient, however, and of course, again, this does offer that 13 feet of drop protection because you are protected with D3O, and you are also going to get that antimicrobial protection as well, which is going to reduce bacterial buildup on your case. In terms of wireless charging, this is going to work perfectly with regular Qi wireless chargers, no problems there. But as far as MagSafe is concerned, you don't have the built-in magnets that you're going to need in order to make MagSafe charging really work properly. However, it will kind of work. It attaches, just not that well, because you don't have a very strong magnetic connection. However, if you put it here and don't jostle it, it's going to work fine. Still going to charge you at 15 watts. So overall, I think that you can say that this works kind of halfway as far as MagSafe charging is concerned. The magnetic connection on here is definitely not going to be strong enough for you to use it with other MagSafe accessories, however, such as the MagSafe wallet. Definitely not enough of a magnetic connection here for you to feel secure using the MagSafe wallet. In order to remove this case from your phone, just start up in your top right-hand corner, press off, go down to the bottom, press that corner off as well, and then you can pull out your phone. Checking out the black-sided version of this case, again, great fit on here. Looks really nice. I think the black sides look quite attractive on here. Same beautiful look here at the back. Of course, you're also going to have that antimicrobial protection with Repel-Flex, your 13 feet of drop protection because of the D3O that we have in the perimeter of the case. Overall, really nice look here with our black-sided version as well. Finally, for those of you that like pink, we've got the rose gold version. Again, great fit on the phone. Don't have tons of lip here, but very nice fit here with the ZAGG Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus screen protector. I think the rose gold sides are a nice touch here. Look very pretty on the phone. Love the fact that we have that D3O protection here. Also protected against microbial protection with our antimicrobial Repel-Flex treatment. Really nice cases here from Gear 4. Again, we've been looking at the Piccadilly by Gear 4 for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. The Piccadilly is available directly from ZAGG as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $39.99. It comes in black, blue, and rose gold sided versions. Many thanks to the kind folks at ZAGG for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.